Hi, I'm Terry from Engquist Tractor Service in McPherson, Kansas. We rebuild a lot of John Deere engines, many of them the 6068 and 4045 versions, and we've had really good results with the McBee rebuild kits. Okay, we'll open up the gasket set and have a look. Then on the bottom layer, we should have a head gasket in here, well protected. Sneak him out of there. It's a nice OEM style graphite sandwich type gasket. It actually fits well. The holes are coaxial with the liners on this gasket. They are not riding up on the fire dam like some do. We've had to substitute a lot of gaskets for aftermarket kits because when you set them on the engine and you center up the gasket on a liner here, at this other end, it's an 1/8 inch off and it doesn't set on the liner properly. So these are not that way. They actually fit and you don't have to worry about that because it is a big problem. Because if you get a gasket riding up here, obviously it's not sitting on the ledge where it's supposed to, and it will leak. And you'll be doing the job again. So these are good. And the other thing about these gaskets is if you have a block that has been decked more than once, you may find that the piston comes up too high and the protrusion is out of spec. With the standard head gasket for a Deere 4.5 or 6.8 PowerTech engine, McBee offers a head gasket that is 10,000ths thicker than this, and that enables you to use that block where otherwise you would either have to find a different block or custom shorten your connecting rods or dress off the top of the pistons. But that 10,000ths is a big saver, and we run into quite a few blocks where piston protrusion is maximum, and that 10,000ths thicker head gasket that you can order from McBee fixes it. And it's just as good, no worries at all. I have one here. The head gasket thickness is 50,000ths plus or minus 1,000. And you can see that first one measured 50, the standard one, and this one's right on 60,000ths. And that's what they offer,